Hello friends, happy Sunday to you, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my sewing plans for the rest of March, and I'm also going to be sharing who the winner is of the Know Me 2110 pattern giveaway that I had on my channel last week. So I started the month of March off by planning one of my son's birthdays. If you looked at my community tab earlier today, you would have seen where I announced that I had been planning that, which is why this video came out a little bit later. But that son is the older one that you see, and we planned a small party with his cousins, and it turned out really nice. And so now that we're still celebrating him, but now that we are past that actual event, it's now time to plan out what I want to make for the remainder of the month. So this time of the year, it's kind of difficult for me when it comes to planning what I want to sew, because during this time of the year where I live, we have a lot of cool days, and then we have days where we wake up and it just feels like summer. Okay, so I often find myself looking for garments that can be cool, but something that you can find a way to be warm in as well. So like easily layered, bold type of clothes. And to be honest, it's not that hard to adjust the garment to your liking for the weather, but I just don't like to do that. And that's what makes it hard, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just like it to be for one or the other, and that's not my reality. Anyway, with that being said, I thought about the type of garments that I want in my wardrobe next, and I really want another dress, and I think I'm going to like make a couple of simple dresses first to start off with, and have a couple of patterns in mind along with the fabrics, and I'm going to share those with you now. Alright, so for the first dress that I have in mind, this is like super simple. This is McCall's 8160. Put that in the screen here. And I believe, yeah, this is a Learn to Sew Level 1 McCall's pattern. And so I know the patterns are on sale at Joann's, and they're also on sale at Hobby Lobby for $4.99. So if you don't have this might be one to get, but it's super simple. I will put up the pattern in the screen from the computer, and I will also put up the line art. But this is just, like I said, a super simple pattern, and it also has tops, it has pants, it has shorts. So this is one that can go for every season. What I will say is, with making this, I make it cool because of the short sleeves. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these sleeves or not, or put a different sleeve on, but I may just keep it so that I can wear it later on, and if I need to put like a blazer on it or something, I will. But yeah, I'm really feeling this pattern. It's loose fitting and all. I'm not sure if I'll have to do a full bust adjustment on this. It looks like I might have to, so I will look into doing a full bust adjustment before I actually make it. And I'm going to share with you the fabrics that I'm choosing from. So this is my first pick. This is my first pick. This is a crepe. On the back of the pattern, it reads, for the suggested fabrics, cotton flannels, cotton knits, and cotton blends. Okay, so this fabric does not actually fall into the category. This is a crepe. It's a synthetic fabric, but I like it, and I feel like it will drape well, so I'll make sure that I will account for that. With this finished measurements, it says that the finished bust measurement for this pattern at the biggest size is 57.5 inches, but I don't need that much. I would actually be able to make a large in this pattern because the finished bust measurement is 49.5 and the hips are 50. So that's probably what I would do, and it would still give me some room. It would have a nice drape to it. And so let me show you this pattern up front. I got this a long time ago from Joann Fabrics. I doubt that it's in there because it's been a couple of seasons of where it was on the clearance and sold out. So anyway, this is what it is. Like I said, it's a crepe, and it has these polka dots in it mixed with some black, and Although it's not super springy, I don't think this is a bad look. So I thought this would be nice. The other choice that I had for a fabric for this pattern is a little bit more springy. I will share that fabric with you now. So it's this pink with these florals. Yeah. So it's like white and black florals with this mauve pink-ish kind of color. So those were my choices. I do have another yellowish with flowers, but I just don't think it would look good in that dress. I think it would look a little bit dated. So I'm not going to go with that. I think I need to wear that in like a long maxi style. So let me put these two fabrics together so that you can look at these and let me know in the comments below which fabric you would use to make that dress. Okay, so that's plan number one. Now again, I said I wanted to make dresses, so I'm also thinking of making this dress, and this is actually one that I picked up from Walmart. So it has that L, that strange number, yeah, L9577. But when you look at the instructions, I believe it is a McCall's pattern. If you could see that right here. Yeah, it just says still McCall's L9577. So if you have a Walmart near you, I should say, this is what it looks like. And here is the line art here. And this would be easier for you to understand when I talk about the pattern. So I want to make the view with the long sleeves, which is view B. And they're 3/4 length sleeves, actually maybe a tad bit longer, but I want to make that because I just love that cowl scoop neck, and I think it would be perfect for this time right now. Now the fabric I'm going to share with you is the fabric that I shared with you last week, the one that I was going to make my Brittany pattern out of. This is a lightweight sweater knit, and so while I have reordered the pattern of Brittany's that I'm going to be doing that giveaway on in this video, this pattern right here, I just think with the summer and spring approaching, it might be better to use a different fabric after all. And so I am going to use this fabric to make the dress. Again, this is the dress, and hopefully by now I've put it in the screen. So yeah, I think that'll be super nice. Something that you could dress up, dress down. You can wear it with tennis shoes. You can wear it with some heels if you really want to, and put a belt on it, you know, to fancy it up. And so that is going to be my plan for the dresses. Now, with, you know, there only being like just a little bit over half of the month of March left, I think that is going to be enough for the dresses. I also want to make an ID pouch for work, which is just something that you could just sit down and do in about an hour after everything is cut out. So I'll put a picture in the screen of what I'm thinking of, but just a super easy ID pouch, maybe a zipper, maybe just a snap or something for the closure. And then I also want to make a beanie. As you've seen many beanies before that I've made, and I wear beanies around the house instead of wearing bonnets. You know, some people wear bonnets, but I'm a beanie girl, and I will share an example of what that looks like as well. If I have additional time, I always have that one, because these patterns right here, these dress patterns are ones that I can make in a day if I had a whole day, but for me it would be more like 2 days, because of my work schedule and how I feel when I get home. So for this if pattern, if I get enough time pattern, I also want to start on like a real springy type of wardrobe, and I want to make this right here. This is what I want to start off with. I have a whole bunch of dresses on a list to make, but this is what I want to start off with. And this is McCall's A557. This is a Mrs. Top Patterns, but what I love about it is these ties right here. And I'm not even going to make the view that the model is wearing because I don't want the puff sleeves. I'm going to make the sleeveless version, which is this view up top here. So let me share with you the fabric that I am going to use. And guess what? One thing I am proud of is all of these fabrics that I'm sharing with you are coming from my stash. So yay me. All right. So this is a small gingham print fabric that I have in my stash, and I think this will be cute. All right, so now let's get into the giveaway drawing of the Know Me 2010 pattern to see who won. We are here to move forward with the drawing for the ME2110 pattern that was designed by Brittany J. Jones. So I put everyone into the wheel picker over here. There are 17 entries. That was all from 1 week, and I'm gonna go ahead and spin the wheel now. All right, let me see here. What am I doing? Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle, 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 and let's spin. All right, and congratulations, D. Perry Designs 2878. Congratulations to you. I do see you on the channel often, so I'm very excited that you are able to receive this gift. I will put my information in the screen to let you know how to retrieve your gift. Basically, either DM me on Instagram, or you can send an email to me directly at creativitybyt@gmail.com. And again, I will go ahead and put that information in the screen. All right, congratulations. So congratulations again, and thank you to all who participated in the giveaway. And again, in order to redeem your pattern, please email me at creativitybyt@gmail.com, or you can DM me at CreativityByT on Instagram and give me your mailing address so that I can get that shipped out this week. All right, everyone, so I guess that is it for now. Short and sweet. These are simple but very practical patterns that I am choosing from this month, and that's kind of like what I need to do right now for the things that I have going on in my life, and I just feel like they're very achievable. But like I said, stay tuned because next month is going to be a little different. All right, so please let me know your thoughts about the plans in the comments below, and let me know if you've made these dresses, because these are older dress patterns. So let me know if you made them before and what you did or did not like about it, and also let me know what you are planning to make. I would love to hear. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, you know what I'm getting ready to say. Please take a pause for the cause and click the like button and the subscribe button and the great notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos if you like this type of content. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.